morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, October 22nd, 2020. It's a D day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that happened yesterday. Yesterday, scholars were doing some amazing work in reading. They're reading their novels and being able to inference and talk about the things in which they've learned not only in the book, but also how they can make it refer back to their personal lives. So nice job, scholars. Scholars, remind your parents that today, if they set up a parent-teacher conference, make sure that they meet with your teachers so they can be able to talk about what an amazing job you're doing. Also, parents, make sure you go to Power School to get your Scholars Report Card. Power School to get your Scholars Report Card. If you need more information, please look on Dojo or reach out to your homeroom teachers. Today is a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!